Hi there. I'm gonna make some real fresh carrot juice with my angel juicer now, and I'm gonna use this opportunity to introduce you to some German words. Okay, so let's start. I'm first gonna get my carrots from the fridge. So, Karotten, Kühlschrank. Main word, to peel. To peel is schälen. Schälen. Ich schäle die Karotte. Die Karotte, the carrot, und die Karotten, the carrots. Die Karotten, die Karotte. Eine Karotte, one carrot, eine Karotte. Mehrere Karotten, more carrots. Mehrere Karotten. Or multiple carrots. That's the right way to say it in English. Mehrere Karotten. Mehrere. Re. It's like the R in the back. Re. Mehrere. Re. I was born in the US, but I grew up in Austria, so people could never pin me anywhere really. But I spoke a really nice German, at school. It was really good for my presentations. But I sort of, I just don't have a typical accent. I mean, people in Austria don't question where I come from. They don't say like, oh, you're not from Austria, not at all. Yeah, like they're Austrians where you can hear that they're coming from a certain place in Austria, and with me, I think people, it was never the issue. Where are you from? They just knew I wasn't from the countryside. So what you can learn with me is sort of a casual but also nice German. So it's not like you would hear in Germany, but it's also not like you would hear it on the countryside in Austria.